Thank you for watching. This is an introduction to the tool LiLz Gauge, which automates and digitalizes the simplest analog inspection on site. On work site, you often encounter analog gauges like this, but due to lack of power or network connections, it can be difficult to digitalize them. However, with LiLz Gauge, you can complete digitalization and automation in just 3 minutes. You will need 3 things. First, the LiLz camera unit. Second, a computer. And third, a smartphone. Let's get started with the setup. First, power on your smartphone and install the dedicated LiLz camera app. Open the app and connect your smartphone to the LiLz camera. Press the test shoot button and you'll be able to check the image you captured via cloud on your smartphone. Confirm that the gauge you want to capture is within a frame and brightness is correct. If everything looks good, the setup is complete. Next, we'll move to the browser software screen. Press the Add Gauge button. Since this is a circle gauge, select the corresponding option. Now specify the area you want to capture. The camera might be angled slightly. But by positioning the square pointer at the 4 corner of the area you want to capture, the system will automatically correct the angle and straighten it. You can now give the gauge a name, set the units, and choose the decimal places. You also choose how to round the numbers. For the memory type, you can select either non-cyclic or cyclic. The direction of the needle's rotation should be set this time it's clockwise. Specify the axis, the needle, and the needle's tip. This time, the needle color set to black. Finally, specify the measurement points 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Next, you input the corresponding values 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Once everything is set, you can confirm the reading, which currently shows 53. If everything looks good, finalize the inspection. With that, the setup is complete. Now let's take a look at the screen during long-term operation. You see that the same gauge has been set up in a different area. This way, you can manage data such as humidity logs alongside the image data. You can also set threshold values, and if these thresholds are exceeded, an automatic email notification will be sent. Setting this up is easy, and I encourage you to give it a try. Thank you very much for your time.